going to show you how to work a front post crochet stitch. Front post stitches can be made using any of the beginner stitches such as single, half double, or treble. Today I'm going to show you double because it's the most commonly used. You work these as you would any normal double crochet, except for that you don't work into the top of the stitch from the previous row. You work around the post of the stitch from the previous row. So yarn over as you would with a normal double crochet, insert your hook into the front of the work, go behind the post, and come back out the front of your work. That's what your hook should look like. Yarn over, pull the loop through, and then complete your double crochet as you normally would. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Let's do one more. So yarn over, insert your hook into the front of your work, go behind the next post and come out the front, yarn over, pull the loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. You can see that the front post makes a longer vertical post and it's raised in the front of your work.